Alright guys, so here we are next morning. Showed you guys the truck yesterday. I got 3 stops off. I've got the Nashville, the Jasper, Indiana, and the Fort Wayne, Indiana off. Come out of Indianapolis last night. It was more or less sleet, freezing rain, and run through that until we got up to about Muncie, Indiana. It turned into snow. So now we are currently in Fremont, Indiana, getting ready to cross into Michigan, headed to Detroit, and it's turned into all snow now. So I mean, they don't have a whole lot, 2 or 3 inches, I guess, maybe on the ground, just more or less of dust, and the parking lot's already been plowed, I guess, this morning, and some more is falling back on it. But I mean, it's kind of slushy. We're gonna get on the interstate here, and let's go to Detroit and take you guys along with us. All right, let's go. Let's get on the road. Gotta get to Detroit, get the last stop off, and then got a pickup in Detroit as well, coming back to Marietta, Georgia. So we gotta get with it and try to make our pickup as quick as possible so we can get headed back south and get out of this mess, right? So we're empty. We got unloaded. That didn't take all of 5 minutes. These guys are quick. You know, it makes a truck driver happy when they can get you unloaded that fast. I think it's called Barriston Supply. I can't even pronounce it. You can tell I'm from the South. I can't pronounce the northern names. It's kind of like someone coming to the South, they can't pronounce the names down in the South. So let's try to wiggle our way out of here. The place I have got to do my pickup apparently is a pretty tight little area, and I don't think I was able to swing out far enough to make that exit. Nope, I had to back in. So I'm swinging out a little bit further. In here. It's all right though. We got a plan for that. Yeah, swing her out wide this way a little further. He thought about coming in, he changed his mind. There we go. Life of a truck driver. Sometimes you just cut it too short. Gotta just back up and do it again. We've all been there. If anybody ever tells you they never have to do that, they're lying to you. Oh, trust me, we have all been there. Cut one too sharp, can't make the turn. It's all right though. So we ain't got to go far anyway, just about 3 miles over here to our pickup. Got to do what they call a Michigan U-turn. Apparently you can't turn left anywhere around here. You got to do U-turns everywhere. So it's all right. No big deal. We can handle that. You know, it's not as cold as I thought it was going to be. It's about 32 degrees right now, just at the freezing mark, so not too bad.
In half a mile, turn right onto Ascension Avenue.
Apparently this thing's wanting me to make a right-hand turn, but as far as I know, I can make a left on this Bastion Street here. So we're gonna go up here and make a left. If not, we'll cut us a U-turn. Plain and simple. I guess that's why they've got 4 lanes across here so trucks can make those U-turns. If not, then we'd be in a mess. Yeah, we would be in a mess if we couldn't make U-turns.
Turn at the first mark onto Ascension Avenue.
Brake there and she really grabbed. I'm empty. Another joy of being empty on slick roads. Yeah, sometimes you'll lock those brakes up. Well, I need to check them when we get back over here. Checked them before I left out on this trip, but I need to get over here and check them before when I load up. Make sure I got them adjusted properly. So, but we'll get it taken care of. Avenue, that's what I got to get on.
Turn at the first left onto Rivard Avenue.
Notice that won't let you turn on the Van Dyke. It's crazy. You can't make left-hand turns here. You got to go straight. I guess it's where if cars get stuck in this middle right here, they get stuck right here, they can't, you can't make that turn if you're in a truck. So that's what I'm guessing, is you've got to make the U-turn so that, you know, you don't run over the hood of a car that gets kind of stuck in the middle there. I don't know who would actually stop in the middle, but I'm sure some people do. Of course, it's different here than where I'm from, so they do things a little different. And we'll go up here and make a right. Sign that says no turn on red, so we're gonna make the turn. Get up here to Outer Drive East. Make another right. Have to go down and make another U-turn to go back east. And I guess if you live around here, you're kind of used to that and you know how to do it. But if you're like me and you're not from this area, you can see where that can be kind of confusing for a truck driver. So you guys see truck drivers, you know, people driving cars, and you guys see truck drivers and you're like, what is this guy doing? You know, he can't figure out where he wants to go. That kind of gives you an idea of why sometimes he may be confused. He's not from that area. The road's a little different, you know, and you know, it can be confusing from time to time. So that's kind of the thing, you know. You just kind of got to learn that sometimes it's different for some people. You know, it's, you know, areas are different. People have got to learn them. Some people don't understand them. So, you know, how they work. And so you can come up here and you got to take another left and U-turn, and it's different. You know, like this one's a little bit tighter than the last one I had to make, so I had to kind of take up some of that fast lane there, make this turn.
Right curve ahead.
They're out shoveling his driveway there. It's amazing seeing that. You know, you just don't see that in the South, shoveling driveways. We just wait till lunchtime and it melts. We just let it melt off. So, but not too far, like I said. We're just, you know, 6/10 of a mile over here to it, so not too long of a drive over. You got 6/10 of a mile from here, but you know, we may have to drive 2 miles so we continue having to do these U-turns. There's just no telling. But then we'll get back out to 75 and we'll run 75 all the way back. I'll probably wrap this video up once I get over here to get loaded. And you know, try to get this either out tonight or tomorrow night. And see what I can do, you know. You guys tell me what you want to see. I mean, if you want to see something with a truck, or if you got questions about it that you want to see in a video, let me know. Like I said, I'm coming from the lawn care side. I kind of been doing that for 2 years, so I knew what most people wanted to see for the most part. Transitioning, you know, doing both trucking and lawn care now, so it's makes it a little tougher on what you guys want to see in these videos. I'm probably not the person to give you the best advice on, I guess you would say, how to make a successful trucking company just yet, because I mean, I've not been doing it long enough. You know, plain and simple, I've not done it long enough. It's kind of hard for me to say this is what you need to do to be successful in trucking. So we'll just have to play it as we go here. You know, so Gordon, I hope you want to hold up there for a second. Let me make this right-hand turn.
First right onto
See that? See how this driver stopped and waited on me to make that turn? He understands how difficult this is, you know, making these turns like this, especially in this place, boys. It's a tight little turn for a truck. But we got in here, so well, we found where we wanted to go. That's for sure. Hey, here we are. Place we need to be. It looks like the lumber I'm picking up is going to be wrapped in plastic of some sort. So I'm going to be taking this to a roofing supply company in Marietta. So I'd say it's something for some sort of trusses or something that they use in roofing, new construction, or I guess even in remodeling. But anyway, guys, we are here, rough roads and all, snow, U-turns. Couldn't get this old country boy lost yet. I better shut my mouth. I'm using a GPS. She'll put me in the wrong place eventually. Make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.